Of the Pine Home project, which is eco-sustainable model project for the tourism of Meghalaya. And this is not the final inauguration of entire project. This is the celebrating the milestone that we have completed the architectural part. Apart some small details of interior design, entire architecture has been completed. So it means that we have succeeded our vision that the technologies which were brought from Europe could be implemented by locally available resources and materials and by local people. And we are very happy that this collaboration, which maybe took longer time, there were maybe a lot of challenges and a lot of hiccups on the way, but we are very happy that we have achieved this form that you can see a real building with real functional technologies which has been placed here. I'll just mention few, which is, for example, insulation and energy renewable environment, which is achieved through the natural insulation, through the clay bricks. Then we have utilized the technologies like clay bricks, means that you are using a clay instead of industrial materials for plastering and for building. And that is to reach the environment inside the building that is healthy and doesn't create any fungi. It helps with the moisture management, but mostly it's very good for health, especially for the people with the breathing problems, and avoids the future like allergy or some that kind of problems. So these kind of things, like suppose clay plastering, it's very famous and very popular now in Europe, and it became a business for many companies. Actually, people even use the clay plaster on the top of their RCC walls, and we would like, as I'm myself staying here more than 10 years, I'm very happy to see that we were able to bring these resource people from Slovakia and translate these technologies here and bring those benefits to Meghalaya, to Northeast India, and to this region. I said this is not the final inauguration. We are celebrating the architectural part, and final inauguration means that there has to be a training and capacity building for the local society to take over this project, not only as a guest house. This was designed as a community center where some activities which thanks to the revenue which guest house or the restaurant or the cafe will bring, the local society can conduct some cultural programs, some activities for the youth and for the community. So it's cultural center, and at the same time it's a tourism hub for Southwest Khasi Hills. We have this small building here where it's supposed to be tourism information center. People coming to Southwest Khasi Hills, they need one place where they can learn about so many beautiful places here. It's this unexplored tourism, which could and this place could also help to scatter the tourism around Meghalaya, that everyone will not concentrate on the most famous spots which are becoming overcrowded and which are becoming more of the picnic spots. So we would like to bring eco-sustainable tourism. We would like that this place will be one kind of center hub for Southwest Khasi Hills as a tourism cultural center, but also hub for the eco-sustainability. So that is the vision of the project, and it will be inaugurated when a local society and the village will will undergo all these trainings. There is also a lot of maintenance things where capacity building has to be done. There is a garden which was done with the help of tourism, with the help of Department of Forest Department, and with the help of stakeholders like Ashley and his Green Roots agency, so that we bring the sanctuary of the local plants and local endangered species in this area. So maintenance is really required. So those this place stays green, beautiful. All the measures, all the ecological measures like this root cleanser which is here, and all the other measures are continuing, not only at the inauguration but during the utilizing of these premises. So after the capacity building and after these training programs, the final inauguration will be done, where it will be open for public, the restaurant, cafe, guest house, this place as a sanctuary for many tourism and many artistic minds, and we are looking forward that very soon. We hope that within 1-2 months after the rainy season will be the best time to start that.